I'm now working on the assemblies of the Mark 1 walrus, and I believe this is the walrus. I hope I'm not calling it the wrong name, but I'm pretty sure it is. Anyway, the float planes that go with this ship, and I've pre-painted most of it, so now it's just a matter of excuse me, cleaning these parts up and gluing the main parts together, the two wings, the motor, the tail section, etc. The floats, the wing floats, and the wheels themselves probably be the last parts to put on. So I still need to paint the propeller right here, and then the engine. I will clip that off, and actually I need to finish painting that too. I gotta get the black out, paint the tires, the engine itself, and the propeller with the black, flat black or NATO black. And in the meantime, I will clean up these parts and we'll start putting these little airplanes together. Well, I have the wings and the rear horizontal stabilizers attached, and the motor and the engine. Next, I'm going to attach the wheels and the propeller and the floats, and they will sit right in this cradle on the catapult. I think it goes the other way, I'm not sure. Something like that. Here is the latest on the airplanes. There's not a lot of detail to these things. They're pretty basic, but they do the job just fine, I think. And they are going to go on the catapult right there. And as far as how the ship's going, I've got all the boats put on now. Like I said, the catapult, I think I've got pretty much all the photo etch on it right now. The only real photo etch left to put on is the railing, which I have set up right here, and I'm working on that. That's going to be one of the last things I put on, and then the turrets are of course done. I'll put one of them on there. They're all completely done. And then the rudder and the props and the propellers, they're all painted up and ready to go. And there's going to be a couple of flag posts, one in the front, one in the back, the anchors, and the anchor chain. So it's basically 90% done. when this ship is done, I'm going to have it sitting beside the sister ship, the Exeter, and we can look at some of the differences. I have all the photo etch railing attached to the ship. I have the masts on. I still have to put the cross pieces on the mast. The rudder, the propeller shafts, and the propellers still have to go on the stern of the ship. There's a little touch-up painting to do here and there. What else is done? The chains and the anchors are on. The ship is nearing completion. Won't be long now. And then I'm going to mount one of the seaplanes on there. And when I'm all done, I'm going to do a comparison of the HMS York to the HMS Exeter, its sister ship, and put them side by side, and we will take a look.